Good morning, guys. This is the first episode of our apartment vlog series that we just, hit the goal for during the subathon. So I'm just gonna give you guys a bit of a tour of the place first and explain what we've been doing, what the plans are, and how eventually it's gonna unfold. So let's get to it. So here we are. This is the common parts. That's the elevator shaft right there. That's still being worked on. Don't want to mess around there. This is our apartment right here. So let me just zoom out a little bit. There we go. Just get a better depth of field. There we go. So that's the main entrance. This is going to be the living / dining area / kitchen. Kitchen is gonna start from over here, from this corner here, all the way around to this little spot right here. So we've got a pretty decent kitchen, pretty large kitchen, I'd say. There's going to be an island over here as well, countertop and all the goods. Then over here, we have, well, this is the cement, as you can see, that we're gonna be using for the tiles here. These are the tiles that we're using. These are all, upside down, but this is the tile that we're gonna be using for generally all of the apartment, almost all the apartment, except one of the bathrooms, the ensuite. This is gonna be the TV section over here. We're gonna have our living area over here, sofa over here, around here somewhere. There's going to be some feature ceiling as well. That should be happening, I think, soon. I think right after the tiles have been laid down. So that comes in probably like 2 more videos. So basically the next video is gonna be the whole place, just tiles down, ready to go. And then we'll probably get the doors here as well, aluminum doors, glass and whatnot. Get that installed as well. Get the ceiling featured as well, or ceiling features. I'm not sure what they call it, but there's a weird word here that we use. These are the AC copper wires. That's gonna be leading out to the unit. There's a lot of sand, as you can see. We've got a lot of sand castles over here. But yeah, this sand basically is used to, I believe, to level up the place so the tiles can get, laid down equally together. So it's like not all bumpy and stuff. So it just basically elevates it and then levels it out. Yeah, this is the, the dining area is in this corner here. It's in this little indent here. Right there, dining table with probably 8 people, I think. This is the shaft system right here. Plumbing is still being worked on. As you can see, there's a lot of plumbing, a lot of piping. This is the main bathroom. As you can see, the sand is not laid down yet because the plumbing is still ongoing. We should be close to finishing now, so maybe in probably next week we'll probably start doing the tiles, and this place is gonna definitely feel a lot more different with the tiles on. And also, guys, I may sound a little weird. Yeah, this is the tile I was showing you guys, but it's a bit kind of dirty right now, but that's the tile we're gonna be working with. That's the unit right there, power unit. Lots of plugs. This is the corridor. There's gonna be a feature ceiling as well on top of here that goes all the way to here, all the way back, all the way to the front there. We've got a pretty spacious and bright shaft as well, so there's gonna be some good light emitting through. Don't wanna go all the way down there. There's a lot of pipes coming out. We've gotta fix those as well. As you can see, it's a very early still, work in progress. Over here is the main bathroom, a main bedroom. Okay, there's more pipe, a lot there, more wires, more cords, more shit going on. So it's still very early in development. This is the second bathroom. This is the ensuite of the bedroom right here. That's where the shower is going to be. This is where the mirror is going to be, sink, and you know what's the you know what's going to happen here. Toilet right here. That's where we spend most of the time in the morning. Yep. Next, it's the corridor. This is the second bedroom. This is going to be mostly used for a bit of storage at first until you know, kids come in place. When they grow up a little bit, they can use this for their bedroom and stuff. We got everything sorted out as much as we could as well. All the plumbing, not plumbing, electricity and copper wire and stuff like that for AC is installed as well. And this is where the streaming is going to be happening. This is going to be the stream room right here. As you can see, it's a pretty good room for streaming, I believe. We're going to close this up. We're going to have a blackout curtain over here. We're going to paint the walls dark gray, very dark gray. And this stream room, you can see there's a lot of plugs here. We'll probably add another multi-plug over here as well, just to add more. But we have, I believe, we have 8 sockets there in the wall, and the Ethernet cable right there, that's for the internet. There's some copper wire too as well for the AC, because that's where I like it, to be on top on the of the PC, of the whole system. And yeah, basically I've been looking for a desk that starts from all over here to maybe around here-ish, or maybe not all the way, because I don't want to like walk into it, like maybe till here. So just like you get like a good 2 meter, 220 centimeter in width of a desk, and maybe like 80 centimeters of depth. So hopefully we'll find something like that, hopefully soon. Yeah, that's basically it, ladies and gentlemen. That is where we are right now. We have a lot more to go. This is just the absolute beginning, but a lot of things, you know, a lot of stuff have already been done. Probably have like a bed couch. Excuse me. There's gonna be like a couch slash bed over here. I don't want it to be too big because I don't want to like make it fill up the room. I'll have some decorations on this side, maybe some shelving there, you know, all that good stuff. Some posters and stuff, hang them up there. I need to do some, what do you call it, the soundproofing foam around these walls here too. I don't want it to, you know, annoy the neighbors or anything. Don't want to, you know, annoy the locals with my screaming and my bullshit. So hopefully it'll come out good. Double glazed glass, obviously, so less, you know, better insulation, less sound. But that's basically it, ladies and gentlemen. That is it. That's what we've been working for the last almost over 2 years. Well over 2 years. We got this place in 2021 when COVID was still a pain in the fucking ass. Hopefully, yeah, hopefully by the end of, no, definitely not the end of this year, but maybe early next year, February, March, longest, we'll probably be in here. Living, streaming, enjoying it, baby. Thank you guys for watching. Thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. More to come. Let's go.